Topic is India's highest civilian honors from 1954 to present. Introduction to Indian civilian decorations. The Government of India instituted its apex civilian recognition hierarchy in 1954 to honor exemption, lifelong merit, monumental service, and top tier contribution by citizens and global stalwarts. These acknowledgements are split structurally into two core definitions. The Bharat Ratna, the absolute premier civilian award, the Padma Awards, split into three distinct hierarchical subdivisions. These awards acknowledge landmark achievements across a wide array of domains, include art, public affairs, science, literature, engineering, medicine, sports, and social enterprise architectures. Bharat Ratna, the jewel of India. The Bharat Ratna represents the ultimate civilian honor granted within the sovereign Republic of India. It is conferred for extraordinary service or accomplishments of highest level across any human endeavor, without boundaries regarding race, trade, gender, or position. Inception. Established on January 2, 1954 by the President of India, nomination structure, recommendations are completed exceptly by the Prime Minister of India and forwarded by President. No external administrative selected board is required. Structure caps, generally bounded by recommendation cap of 3 individuals per calendar year. Through exemption, historical deviations exist. Example 1999 and 2004. Chronological list of Bharat Ratna represents. Year 1954. Recipient name Sri Rajagopalachari. Last Governor General of India and prominent freedom fighter. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, first Vice President and philosopher statesman. Dr. C.V. Raman, Nobel lecturer physicist and discoverer of scattering of light. Year 1955. Dr. Bharatwaj Das, therapist and independence figure and educational. Sir M. Vishwavaraya, philosopher, and Jawaharlal Nehru, legendary civil engineer, Diwan of Mysore State, first Prime Minister of independent India, global diplomat. Year 1957. Govind Balla Pant, freedom fighter and premier Union Home Minister and architect of Uttar Pradesh. 1958. Dr. Dondo Keshav Karve, social reformer, champion of women's welfare and remarriage networks. Year 1961. Dr. Bindan Chandra Roy, eminent medical pioneer and educational builder of West Bengal. Das Tandon, freedom fighter named Rajarshi, prominent language advocate. Year 1962. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, first President of India Republic independence leader. Year 1963. Dr. Zakir Hussain, third President of India, educational visionary and scholar. Dr. P.V. Kane, Indologist and legal scholar, writer of History of Dharmastra. Year 1966. Lal Bahadur Shastri, second Prime Minister of India during 1965 to conflict. Year 1971. Indira Gandhi, first female Prime Minister of India, prominent global leader. 1975. V.V. Giri, fourth President of India, pioneer of organized trade union federations. India's highest civilian honors, 1954 to present. Chronological list of Bharat Ratna recipients. Year 1976. K. Kamaraj, freedom fighter and educational visionary, former Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. Year 1980. Mother Teresa, humanitarian and founder of Missionaries of Charity, Nobel Peace Laureate. Year 1983. Acharya Vinoba Bhave, spiritual giant, leader of non-violent Buddhan land and reform movement. 1987. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, first non-citizen winner. Frontier Gandhi, Muslim freedom fighter. Year 1988. M. G. Ramachandran, cultural icon, legendary actor and transformational chief minister of Tamil Nadu. Year 1990. Dr. B. R. Ambedkar, chief architect of Constitution of India, social justice pioneer. Nelson Mandela, leader of anti-apartheid movement, president of South Africa. 1991. Rajiv Gandhi, sixth Prime Minister, tech modernization visionary. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of India, integrated independent princely states. Morarji Desai, fourth Prime Minister of India, prominent freedom fighter. Year 1992. Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, first Minister of Education, prominent multicultural scholar. J.R.D. Tata, Industrial titan, pioneer of Indian aviation framework. Satyaraj Rai, legendary academic award-winning cinematic actor. Year 1997. Gulzarilal Nanda, two-time interim PM, Labour Movement leader. Aruna Asaf Ali, heroine in 1982 Quit India Movement, political activist. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, renowned space missile scientist, 11th President of India. Year 1988. M.S. Subbulakshmi, legendary classical vocalist, first musician to receive the honor. C. Subramanian, architect of India's transformation green revolution strategies. Year 1999. Jayaprakash Narayan, Lok Nayak, leader of Total Revolution Movement. Professor Amartya Sen, Nobel laureate, welfare economist, institutional scholar. L. Gopinath Bardoloi, freedom fighter, first Chief Minister of Assam. Pandit Ravi Shankar, Global Sitar Festival and Cultural Ambassador. Year 2001. Lata Mangeshkar, the Nightingale of India, playback icons and multi-decade contributions. Ustad Bismillah Khan, legendary Sehnai maestro who elevated the instrument to the world stage. 2009. Pandit Bhimsen Joshi, renowned Kiryana Gharana Hindustani classical local giant. Year 2014. C.N.R. Rao, eminent social state chemist and advanced structural scientist. Sachin Tendulkar, legendary cricket icon, youngest recipient in historical records. Year 2015. Atal Bihari Vajpayee, three-time Prime Minister of India, statesman, orator and poet. Pandit Madan M. Malaya, educationist, co-founder of Banaras Hindu University. Year 2019. Pranab Mukherjee, 13th President of India, veteran and constitutional and financial statesman. Bhupen Hazariki, legendary lyrical musician and filmmaker from Assam. Nanaji Deshmukh, social worker and pioneer of rural religion models. 2024. Karpuri Thakur, champion of classes, former Chief Minister of Bihar. P.V. Narasimha Rao, ninth Prime Minister, architect of India's 1991 economic liberalization. L.K. Adani, renowned agriculture scientist, father of Green Revolution of India. Thank you.